Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2015 Audi A3. This is a Premium Plus with Quattro all-wheel drive, and it's a 2-liter. You can get them of a number of different engine configurations. You have the 1.8, the 2.0, and then you have the higher performance version, the S3, and then the RS3. So this is kind of like the Goldilocks one. It's not the most highest performance one, it's not the base one. In fact, this one is very nicely equipped with features. We have the original build sheet on it. Even though it's the smallest car in Audi's lineup, it didn't have a small price when it was new. It had an MSRP originally of $41,195. You know, and a base MSRP of $33,200. So it was a good amount of equipment on it. This beautiful shade of glacier white metallic, that was a $550 premium for this color. This has the Audi MMI Navigation Plus package. That was a $2,600 option package. Then we have the A3 Premium Plus package. That was an additional $2,550 for that, giving you upgraded 18-inch wheels, heated and power front seats with 4-way lumbar support, heated exterior mirrors, Audi advanced key. So basically it's keyless ignition with push button start. Aluminum window surrounds, aluminum interior package. Then we have the driver's assistance package. That was a $1,400 option package, giving you our parking system plus with rear view camera, Audi side assist, and a front plate holder. So those are that's the original build sheet. Of course, we can give you a copy when you come in, or we can email you one. Pretty fuel efficient as well. Looks like 24 city, 33 highway. This one we took it on trade for one of our pre-owned Infiniti Q60 coupes. This one is a local one-owner clean Carfax vehicle, and it shows pretty much regular service history since new at Audi. That's definitely what you're looking for when you're buying a pre-owned vehicle. Local one-owner clean Carfax and regular service history at the manufacturer service department. And all that information is on the Carfax report. We do have a complimentary copy. Nice interior design. It's that German minimalist interior styling. A lot of the automotive press, they really love the styling, exterior and interior on the Audi products. You have a nice big moonroof. You have this really cool navigation screen. You have a parking camera. But also the cool thing is, if you don't want to look at the screen, it tucks right into the dashboard, keeping everything clean and uncluttered. The controls to operate the climate control system are very straightforward. You have your fan, you can control the airflow, defroster settings, AC, then you have the separate controls for driver and passenger, heated seats for both front passengers. You have these really nice, easy to use buttons so you can operate and access the infotainment system. You have this nice, easy to use kind of turnstile wheel, and you can push it down to select which menu you want to go to. So it's pretty straightforward, very intuitive electronic parking brake. There's your push button start. Nice leather up steering wheel, feels wonderful in your hands. And this has 75,053 miles at the time of making this video. So the A3 is pretty much like a baby A4. It's like probably, I'd say, about 90 to 85% the size of the A4, but it looks very similar, which is not a bad thing. Audi has a really nice design theme going on with all their products. Pretty large trunk as well for a small vehicle like this. Tinted windows. This one has Quattro all-wheel drive, great for the wet, slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest. Front-wheel drive is standard. Quattro all-wheel drive is optional. And this one has a nice engine. The base engine on the A3 is a 1.8 turbocharged engine. It makes about 180 horsepower. This is the 2-liter version. This is bumped up to 220 horsepower. This isn't a heavy vehicle. It's very quick with 220 horsepower. And it's also very fuel efficient. So it's an excellent little sport luxury sedan at a great price point. Contact us with any questions. Right now we have complimentary shipping up to 250 miles at no additional charge. So we have mobile delivery service. We can put this thing on a trailer, get it delivered to you. All the paperwork, getting pre-approved, all that stuff, we can handle it over the phone and online. Bring the vehicle to you on a trailer. You can take it for a spin, make sure you like it, sign the paperwork, and it's yours, and you never have to set foot into a car dealership. So, and if you happen to live a little bit further, we can arrange shipping just about anywhere in the country. We have a very big proven business. We sell vehicles out of state on a weekly basis, whether it's Oregon or all the way across the country, halfway across the country. We accommodate all sales types. Contact us for more information. Thanks for watching the video today. Hope to see you soon and have a wonderful day.